welcome back to our channel, guys. Hope you are doing great. So this is our first video of our COD series, so you can like and subscribe for this because there are going to be interesting episodes coming soon of this series. So thank you for the love and support for our previous video on the Game Squad teaser. So if you haven't seen that video, you can go down in the description and click on the link. And please subscribe and like the video and press the notification bell to get our videos first. So if you want to add me in COD, my name is TruthPro1234 and I'm going to give my friends usernames in COD down, links in the description, and let's start rolling. So guys, if you like our intro, comment down below. Should we change it, or should we do another intro, or should we do a voting, or should we keep it? Okay, so we came, so okay, should we choose this? Yeah, let's choose this. Let me volume it up. So let's get ready. Okay, let's go. Okay, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh man, oh crap. Oh my god, this is such a bad start. Okay, yes. Finally one kill. Okay, that's good. Oh my god, what just... I don't know, where are the enemies coming? Oh my god, this is so hard. Yeah, la la la. Hee hee. I'm laughing. Do you think this person, whoever says, is quite annoying? To me, he's pretty annoying. So I just mute it. But I also like the music. Oh my god. I just lost another time. This is horrible to my expectations. Oh my god, this is getting intense. 10 kills and 15. That's how we kill, man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Cover, pole. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my god, this guy was saying, this is intense, it's getting intense. Yeah, that's what, if you just... Oh, where did this guy come from? It's pretty weird. Oh my god, the guy's fast. Reaction time. I hate this thing, and it's not that hard because this map is... Can't hear where the thing is coming from. Yeah! There, what to do? 2 kills in a time? Good. Yeah, hallelujah. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Thing. Oh my god. Also tell me if you like picking up other people's gun, cause I personally don't take people's gun. I don't know why, but if it's an OP gun and looks nice, I'll just take it. And I'm right now being trashed by the enemies, like literally 25 to 33. This is so annoying. Oh my god. Where should I go? Yeah! Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Oh man, oh man. man. Oh, that's what you get. That's what you... Yeah! Oh my god. That's so intense. Oh, it's 38 to 34? Okay. Oh, care package. Open. Okay. Oh my god. They like to be here. I don't know why. And they just did 36 to 41. Oh, there's a helicopter, which is trying to kill us. And I'm getting ready this missile thingy. This is getting intense. Oh. Yeah. Oh, 44 to 44. Oh man. What? Oh man. 49-47. Yes. Oh yes, we won. This was hard, but we still won. I'm so happy right now. Okay, who is this guy? Darmax. Oh, it's actually pretty good, huh? I don't think so. I didn't play that well for this match. Yeah, I didn't play that well for this match at all. This is hard. Ooh, I was in third position, and this guy was in Darmax guy. Okay, so let's leave. Okay. Oh, I got that a new gun. Okay. Oh, I need to upgrade my guns, man. How many kills did I do? What, 11 kills? Not that good, actually. I think I have to change my loadout. What should it be? This guy can... I love this guy, actually. I love this. I think I have to get this guy instead. And also should get that. And upgrading this gun, I don't have XP cards. My god. So let's just play another game. Okay, yeah. I want to just be the MVP player of the game. Okay. Okay, I'm level there. Oh, ooh, same place. Yeah, I actually, to be honest, this is my favorite place, but yeah, it's my favorite place. I like this. Yeah, let's do this here. Okay, let's start playing. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Oh, we already taken the lead, guys. Yeah. Oh, my God. I was the first killed? This is horrible. There's a weird person saying in between of the thing. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry. Very sorry of that. Oh my god. I'm so bad. I like this. Yeah. Let's do this here. Okay, let's start playing. Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Oh, we already taken the lead, guys. Yeah. Oh my god. I was the first killed? This is horrible. There's a weird person saying in between of the thing. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry. Very sorry of that. Oh my god. I'm so bad. I almost died. Guys, sorry for the... Oh my god. That guy was good. Caught me good, guys. Oh man. Yeah. Oh, I killed one, I died one. Wow, pretty good. Sorry for the background noise. I can't do anything. Sorry for that. Hee. Oh my god. That girl's so weird. Oh my god. Oh. Let's run. Ooh, yeah. That was fun. Ooh, another one. Yes. Oh my god. That's out of nowhere. I like to be going by the center. Ooh, headshot maybe. I think that's a headshot. Wow. Oh man. Oh man. I got major assist. What? Oh yeah, I just assisted the guy. So it's 24 to 21. Getting intense. Oh my god. Nice 25-24 because of me. This sucks. Oh wow. This guy's not dying. He like literally took 2 bombs to die. Like so good, right? I'm gonna throw this. Go. Oh, the bomb exploded in my hands. Wow, this is epic. Think I killed that guy? I'm pretty sure I killed that guy. Sorry for the background music or noise. I can't do that anything. I'm lousy. Oh crap. Ooh, that was so cool. Ooh. I kill one, they kill me. Wow, pretty good. Revenge. Auto revenge. Oh my god, I just take that. Ooh, wow. Oh my god. It's like, oh my god. Oh, that was in a helicopter? Oh my god. Oh my god, they're trying to... Holy moly. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so horrible. I have to run quick. I have to take revenge, man. Oh my god. Oh, we're gonna lose this. Don't tell me I'm gonna be the last kill. Just don't tell. Oh man, we lost. Oh, sorry again. Oh, who died actually? Okay. this was not that pretty good of my luck. Oh man. Oh, I did 11 kills again. Wow. So for this video, this is enough. If you like this video, subscribe and press the thumbs up button. If you don't like this, press the dislike button. I'm fine with it. So see you in the next one. Peace.